Hello there guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this Canva template text typography design in just 2 minutes. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up a Canva thumbnail design or whatever the template you want to use. Now go to elements. First of all, we are just gonna go to text, and from here we're gonna insert a heading. And in this heading, what we're going to do is insert whatever the header you want to use. Type your text, go to fonts, and we're going to change the font fill. Here we go. And we're going to increase the size and put it into the middle and the center of our template. Here we are. The next thing what we're gonna do is just duplicate it using Ctrl+D, and what we're gonna do next is just go to elements and search for ink. From here, what we're gonna do is like insert a video of an ink, and then we're gonna click on this BG remover, and we're gonna remove the background from here. Then we're gonna send this from layers to back just one time. So we have the outline text in front and the other text box behind, and this is what our video looks like right now. But I want to give the background another fill, so what I'm gonna do is use a black fill in the background as well. Let me just place the video aside for a moment, and then what I'm gonna do is just change this fill to black, right, like this. And the next thing I'm gonna do is put the video back onto our same template place where we had it before. Then we're gonna change the font fill to white. So yeah, here we are. Also, what you have to do is play the video right here like this. So right now, as you can see, this is what we have as the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials and videos like these.